Hey everyone, welcome to Kelly Wicker Cards. I'm Kelly Wicker and I'm super excited to have you here with me today. In this video, we'll be creating a beautiful card using the new Out and About collection from Spellbinders. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Let's dive in and start crafting. For today's card project, I want to start off by showing you the supplies you'll need to create today's card. We might change things up a bit today, we might. I'm also excited to introduce you to a new release from Spellbinders called the Out and About collection. These are designed to pair with the new Scout die cut machine. Have you seen the new machines? Make sure to check them out. I don't have it in my collection to show you, but eventually I will. Gotta have all the machines in our collections, right? Anyways, this collection features some fantastic elements that I can't wait to share with you. And by the way, I apologize for my voice if it sounds bad. I'm just getting over a cold. I've had a cold the last week, and the last day or two my voice has finally sounded normal. I do have a lot of congestion still, so I just wanted to apologize for that in advance. If you hear me like crinkly sounding, you know, whatnot, I'm sorry about that. I just couldn't wait to get this collection out to share in my card, so it's really cute. So I really wanted to show you all, and I couldn't wait anymore. But Spellbinders was kind enough to send me these 3 sets to create with. As an affiliate with Spellbinders, I do earn a small commission when you purchase products through my affiliate links, and my affiliate links will be listed down below in the description box. This doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps support my work and allows me to continue creating content and sharing my love of crafting with you. Thank you for your support. Let's get started. Okay, full disclosure, it took me several takes to get that down because of my voice. I've been so paranoid about my voice. Okay, so anyways, I want to go ahead and show you the 3 sets that Spellbinders sent to me to create with. Here it is. This is, let me open this envelope. They usually come in little sample baggies, and so I put it on my magnet card that I keep in my craft room for my to store my dies on. And they come in these little handy dandy envelopes. I recently switched to some magnets that I get on Amazon now. I will see if I can find the link for them and link them. But anyways, this is actually a huge collection. I only received 3 of the items in the collection, but make sure to check it out on their website because it's a great collection. A lot of fun items in it. It's called the Out and About. And so this is the thank you etched dies up here. It comes with the word die and the outline. And then the thank you and for you etched die set here. You can stitch these up. That's what the little holes are here in the word die. And then it comes with this cute little Dalmatian. This Dalmatian is called Roller Disco Dottie. And it comes with all the different elements here to create the dog. So super cute. And you know me, I'm a dog lover, so I am excited to create with this set. And the other items you'll need is this is the picket fence set here. You'll need the fence and the grass from the set. And then to create today's card panel, you will need the A2 matting basic set. This is the set A is what, and we'll be using the largest die. I already have it out of here, but because I've been cutting with it, but you want the largest die out of that set. And then we're going to be doing some ink blending. So you want to get out your there goes the envelope. You want to get out your Distress Oxide inks, and lately I've been watching a lot of old Christina Warner ink blending videos on her channel. Oh my goodness, she is the expert at that, I swear. She is so good and makes it look so easy. But anyways, I've been watching a lot of her videos on how to do ink blending, so that's where I got a lot of my inspiration from. And she did have one YouTube video out that was called Sunset I think it was just Sunset Ink Blending, something like that. I will get it and link it below. But it's a great video to watch if you really struggle with ink blending. She is the one to watch to get tips and tricks on that. So the colors that you will need for today's sky is Blueprint Sketch, Wilted Violet, Picked Raspberry, and Squeezed Lemonade. And then I recently purchased, this is not part of the collection, this is separate. They recently came out with a new product here. This is called Splatter White for splattering. So I'm going to use this today on the card. I had to use it, right? And then you want to get out some mini blending tools. This is what the mini blending tools that I'm using to blend today's background. So make sure to get those out. And the cardstock I'm using is Hammermill 100. I always get it mixed up. I think Hammermill is 100-pound weight. So that's what we're going to be using for today's card project. I already have everything die cut out, ready to go. I did that off camera to save some time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the card making fun. Okay, I have my desktop ready to go here to start the ink blending process. I'm going to go ahead and get out the Squeezed Lemonade because we're going to start off with the bottom color. There we go. Alright, get my Hammermill out here, and I already have it cut out. Get out my Altenew Low Tack Sticky Mat here. This is great for blending. Holds the paper in place nicely. So I already have these designated for their colors. I have a bunch of these like this, all labeled and ready to go, so I know which is which. And while I go ahead and get ready to do the ink blending, I'm going to go ahead and put on some music for you so you don't have to listen to me talk during this process, because it's going to take a little bit, and I'm going to speed this up. Okay, now that the ink blending is all done, it's time to move on to the splatter. So I got out my splat box out here, my Tim Holtz splat box, and my Splatter White from Spellbinders. And I'm just using a paintbrush from my stash here and dabbing a little bit onto my glass mat. And then gonna get out my spray bottle here to help keep it moving along. There we go, that's a lot better. And and with no rhyme or reason, just going on to the card panel and splattering. Just having some fun. Who doesn't love to splatter, am I right? And now going in to clean up the mess on my desk here with a microfiber cloth and some water. Just spraying it down in the area where I had that ink. That's one reason I love this glass mat. It's easy to clean. And now we're going to set this off to dry. There we go. Alright, so now it's time to come in and to cut our card base. So I'm bringing in my paper trimmer here from Spellbinders. And we're using hammer mill again. I think it's 100 pound. I always get it mixed up. But anyways, we just cut that in half and then get our score buddy out. And we score that at 5.5. Oop, I did that twice. Let me do that once more here with the single run through. Alright, now just lining it up nicely here, making sure it's all even. Give it a good press down. There we go. That is ready to go. And that's what it's going to look like. Okay, so now we're getting out the die cuts here. So I have everything already die cutted. And now we're just laying down where I want the fence to go. And I figured it out. So now I'm just adding the glue. This is Barely Arts glue in my glue bottle. And just pressing this down onto the card panel. There we go. It's quick and easy to do. Adding some more glue to the other die cut. Lining them up just so. Alright, that looks great. That's just what I had envisioned in my head. And now I'm getting out my scissors and trimming the edges off, trimming the extra off. Alright. And oh, something got on my glass mat. Just had to clean that up a little bit. And now we're getting ready to line up the grass. So as I finish up doing the die cutting, I'm going to put on some more music here so you don't have to listen to me talk during this part. Okay, y'all, now that the paper piecing is all done, it's time to apply the card panel to the card base. So I just using my Gina K dot runner there to apply the adhesive and lining it up to the card base, and it turned out great. So now I'm getting out my waffle flower foam strips here to apply to the dog. And this is something different that I'm doing here. The original card, I used a liquid adhesive to apply the dog to the card panel, but I thought I wanted some more dimension, and I thought he looked much better popped up. So that's what I went ahead and changed up. So anyways, just getting my scrapbook adhesives out here and applying them to the dog. There we go. Now removing the backers. There we go. And now just finding the right placement for the dog. Here I was trying to cover up that seam in the grass where I placed the two pieces of grass down. But oh well, it didn't work out. So he looked much better front and center because he's just out living his best Dalmatian life out here in the summer, a nice summer evening. So now it's time for the thank you. And we're just adding the scrapbook adhesives to the back of the vellum here. That is another thing I changed up in the card. I added the vellum behind the gold matte cardstock. I thought that made it pop a little bit more. So now we're just applying that to the center of the card. And that, my friends, is the finished card project. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. Also, check out the affiliate links in the description box below to support my channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next card making video. Ciao for now.